US will ban 8 commonly used artificial food dyes in the bid to help Americans know what is in their food, the health secretary, that is Robert F. Kennedy Jr., announced on the Tuesday. Officials have also said that the 2 petroleum-based synthetic dyers would be phased out in the coming weeks and other by the end of 2026. Experts have linked dyes which are found in the dozen of food, including the cereals, candy, snacks and beverages, to the neurological problems in some children. Also, the FDA, that is the Food and the Drug Administration Agency, plan to authorize 4 new natural color activities in the coming weeks to help the companies find alternatives quickly, the agency have said. Also, Americans don't know what they are eating, Kennedy said at the news conference. Also, on the campaign trail alongside Donald Trump, Kennedy last year vowed to take on the artificial food dyes as well as the ultra-processed food, once confirmed to lead the top US health agency. On Tuesday, the health secretary pledged to tackle other food additive, including the every ingredient additive to the food in the school, and that we can legally address. Most artificially colored foods are made with the synthetic petroleum-based chemicals, according to the Nutrition Non-Profit Center for the Science in the Public Interest, that is CSPI. Synthetic food dyes are found in the dozen of popular food items, including the M&M, Gatorade, that is Kool-Aid, and the Skittles. For the past 50 years, American children have been increasingly living in a toxic soup of the synthetic chemicals, the FDA Commissioner Marty Makary said. Makary have also said removing the food dyes was not a silver bullet but one important step to improving our children's health. The FDA planned to revoke authorization for the food dyes Red Number 2 and Orange B within the coming months, according to the Department of Health and Human Service. The only purpose of the artificial food dyes is to make food companies money, said Mr. Peter Lurie, a former FDA official and the president of the CSPI. Food dyes help make ultra-processed food more attractive, especially to children, often by masking the absence of a colorful ingredient like fruit, he said. Also, we don't need synthetic dyes in the food supply and that no one will be harmed by their absence. Companies have found that ways to eliminate many of these dyes in other countries, including Britain and New Zealand, said the former UK minister. And also, the for example, the Canada Kellogg uses the natural food items like carrot and watermelon juice to color the Fruit Loop cereal, despite using artificial dyes in the United States. How harmful these synthetic dyes are and is also